welcome to another class. Today I'm going to discuss about the online Python programming. So you have any system in your computer, so you have to install the Python programming Spider 3 software you can download from internet and you install it. After that you will run the program. Otherwise you can follow my simple tricks. So by online you have a mobile phone. By online you can run your Python program. So I'm going to discuss about it. So at first go to Google Chrome or Google web browser, whatever you have. So go there and search in URL online Python compiler. There you get so many options, but you have to go the online gdb.com. So online gdb.com you have to entry by clicking. You get in blank page. Here you have to select here. You can see Python 3. It should be Python 3. If there are so many languages, by default you can write down here. So at first I clear the body of the program. I just clear all the written down here. Without clearing all things, you can run your program or write down your program. So it is a small platform, but it is easy. So at firstly I just write down one program, just simple print hello world. Okay, so just go write down print. Here print came. Print, within print whatever we write down, it should show in output. So within the inverted comma whatever we write down, we can see it as it is in our output. So print hello world. But here you can see when I used to change small letter to capital, it just erased. So you have to just give a space and then convert it into capital, then H, then small h, ELLO, hello world, hello world. Okay, now you can run here, run your program here. Okay, by clicking this one you can run here. You see it is your here the the printed word is hello world. So whatever I written down in Python programming body, it shows gives us output as it is written down here. So I want to say in C plus plus programming you have to write down here so many lines of code, but in Python that is easy because here is the less numbers of coding lines and it is directly run. That's why it is known as the interpreter language, because it is the you have to know that two types of mode we run, one script mode and one the so here not script mode. It here we directly write down program within the body, then here we click the run and it will run and show the output here, output. So againly I just you have to click here. You just it is used for sort down. I just write down the multiply of two numbers. So at firstly I create a variable as s1. I declared a variable s1 is equal to, so I want to take at firstly I input. So here you remember here 10, then you have, if you give enter, so it just erased. But if you given space, because Python programming is space sensitive and case sensitive and indent sensitive. Okay, so here is the space, and then we declaring here the global part. It is the global part. We don't create any functions inside the body. So now again s1 and s2, not capital, s2 I have written down here is equal to 20. So sorry, 20, given space, then write down. So here I declared another variable c, or result, result is equal to, it is your word. Okay, it is a variable. This is the variable, this is the your word. You can use your name also here, but you have to write down s. So you have to multiply. I am going to multiply, so s1 asterisks multiply with s2 and your result. So your program is ready, but you cannot see anything because I have not given any print option. So if you give the print option, then you can see your result. So print, I have written down here the result result is. So here result is stored in result variable. So result variable is result. What you have written down here, you have to same written down here. Okay, so your program is ready here. Not need the get ch or any other keyword. You just directly run. So your answer is, the result is 200. You have seen. So it is easy for online. You can practice your Python programming without any system. Okay, so you try in your home, just simple small programming like the addition, subtraction, multiplication. And one thing you have to write, here you have to give the print function, print, and you have to declare here variable. After that you can get the results. Okay, so if it will run in C program or C++ program. If we write down, so that is this program should be lengthy. Okay, but in Python programming it is the less line of codes. That you can see here, there I have written down only 4 lines. The 4-line programs I can get a result. So you can try. And another thing, if you want to give your input, you just want to give the your input, so you have to declare here by default int, because it is an integer number. So integer, within the integer you have to take the input function. So input, within the input function you have to declare enter first number. Here I have written down input function, sorry, input function declare. You have to declare input function. So here you written down one space I given because I am going to first letter capital. So the enter, sorry, enter first number, then colon. Here it is your area. You can write down anything here within the code, whatever you write down according to your written down. So it should be, you can see your written down later in the output box. Okay, so here I am taken int, again input, then again I have written down here enter second number. So the second number, your program is ready. Okay, let's try run. At firstly it the our output page, once first digit I just input 12, then you have to press enter, then the second number is 4, so my answer is 48. So you can see here my program is right. So you have given the first number 12, second number 4, and my output is 48. Okay, so you can use this concept. Using this concept you can run so many programs, or you can write down so many programs. Okay, let's try. Thank you. Have a nice day.